We all know that we need to change our engine oil regularly, but why? Stick around to find out. It's Tech Tip Tuesday. From the time we start driving, we're told that oil changes are necessary, but have you ever asked yourself why it's so important? There are tons of reasonings, but here are the big three. Engine oil reduces friction in your engine's moving parts. Changing the oil regularly keeps it fresh and helps maximize lubrication in the engine, reducing the chance of overheating. Changing the oil also removes impurities. Over time, your vehicle's oil becomes contaminated with dust, metal shavings, and antifreeze, which form a sludge that sticks to parts inside of the engine. This causes the engine to run less efficiently, decrease gas mileage, and can even cause the engine to fail. And having regular oil changes allows your service center to inspect your vehicle for potential breakdowns in other areas of your vehicle. Here at Ryan Honda of Minot, when we perform an oil change, we also give you a 27-point visual inspection. This will give you a better idea of the overall performance of your vehicle and tip you off to any excessive wear that could lead to potential breakdowns. At Ryan Honda of Minot, we know how much your car means to you, and we know how important routine maintenance is to the performance of the car. We'd love to be the place you trust to keep your vehicle running its best.